Place your bets. One new game plus 5. Oh, I'm not doing bonfireless Dark Souls 1. Screw that. Like walking simulator. Can't do without a bonfire. I'm the same. You see, new game plus 5 is a better option for him. We are nice guys. Thank you. He's about to go to the grocery store, but I'll wait for 500. Wait, no, that was... yeah, one more. Oh, I just gave you a little teaser, Les. Gobbed or gibbed? Is gibbed. I can do no Estus run, but no bonfire is impossible to me. Okay. I hope I didn't say gobbed. Oh, okay, it was you. I was gonna say... shit, what the fuck am I saying now? I love that Dan emo. It's awesome. I would rather do like... I'm there with you, Ryan, don't you worry. Gravity's been my main killer, apart from bosses. Gravity and bosses. Yeah, dude, you might want to hit the bonfire. One thing that's pretty predictable with Dark Souls 2 is you kill a boss, go through the next room, bonfire. Alright. I missed him, shit. Gravity is the hardest boss in DS. I'm definitely agreeing with that. One more. 80. Okay, that was a trigger attack and that only hit 80. Alright. That's weird. Oh, bastard. What am I doing? Come on. Oh my god. Uh-oh, getting sloppy. Shit. How did he still hit me? Oh my god. Just let me heal, bro. Come on. Oh shit. I can't dodge at the moment. Oh shit. He actually knocked me over. Bastard. I can't dodge at the moment. Fuck. Oh, mama. Quick heal. 7 flask. Okay. Alright, there we go. So a little bit more damage. Okay, 2 more. 1 more. Oh my god. Just gonna quickly. Oh, you bastard, you got me. What? Uh-oh. Why did I do it that late? By far the hardest boss. What? Oh man. Estes OJ. Easy, easy. Those Estes things aren't order. There you go. Alright, 1 more attempt. You won, Les. See you later, Arithmetic. Thank you for watching, man. Much appreciated, and the follow. Now I'm not allowed to die anymore. Oh dear. That's me you're talking to. But if you think of it, I better be fucking good at Dark Souls 2 after this fucking hecticness. Oh shit. Yeah, I wiped on Ornstein and Schmorg, whatever his name is, 14 hours. Are you there, Les? Les, wake up, mate. See you later, Gib. Cheers for coming along, dude. Much appreciate it. Cheers for the follow, too. You right there, right? Poor dog. Yeah, I'm gonna hit him up with the host after this. He's a good fella. Probably back in a bit if you're still streaming when I get home. I probably won't, Gib. You'll jump on Skype. Alright, just if you're gonna do it now. I'll probably have 1 more attempt and then I'll go to bed, dude. He took 2 goes but done all bosses in 1. Damn. That's pretty good. Alright, cool, no worries, Gib. No worries, man. Just waiting for Lord Glad to get on Skype. Because when he calls me, it will close Dark Souls, and I don't want to be doing that while it's during a boss fight. Actually, I'll see if I can call him. Yeah. Oh wait, what the hell? Oh, mouse click. I used the Ornstein armor with Black Knight Hellbert. I'm back after many hours. Oh, nice dragon. I'm still fighting him. Died 501 times now. It's nearly been 10 hours. Yeah, I'm still here. Welcome back, dude. Alright, I'll buzz you. Oh, that's loud. G'day, mate.
Yeah, how you going there? You failed big time.
Yeah, I did too. Didn't I? Yeah.
I've been trying to access my PayPal via my Google, whatever. It's not working. Chad accesses his via the phone.
Oh, yeah?
But we'll see what happens here.
Yeah.
501. Yeah, your attitude's been pretty good. But Jesus Christ, I thought you'd be finished by now, Mark.
I did too, man. Remember when I first started the game, I was like 300. The whole game, nah, no chance.
Well, Pimp said 250 at one stage, and he revised that to 350. I've always said 500.
Yeah. No, you were supposed to beat him by the 100th, or be for 500. Yeah, man. Never know, it could be 501.
Hey?
Dragonfrost was saying I was meant to have beat him by 500. Hello, guy on Skype. That's Lord Glad.
For your hard work. Who am I speaking to?
Me.
Oh, that's me. Yeah. Lord
Yeah.
Glad, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, I woke up about 4. I had a nana nap around about 9 o'clock last night.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Bloody hell. Aren't you going to work today, though?
Yeah, I'm going to work in an hour or two.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm only working 2 hours, stuff that.
Oh, fair enough, yeah.
You know my email.
Huh?
Yeah, mate. Just trying to work things out. I'm going to mute you for a second, buddy.
Yeah.
Don't go away.
No. I don't know what he's doing. I'm still here pimping. Just on Skype with Les. Not too sure what he's doing. Just waiting for him.
Just trying to work out this PayPal bullshit. I've tried via mobile and all this crap, and anyway, leave it with me for a second.
Yeah, man. Even if not, man, just later on tonight, if you can't get it going.
Yeah, nah, Mark, it's just bugging me, mate. You know what I'm like. I'm gonna do it now first and not do it later.
Yeah, of course. I'm only having one more attempt on this boss, and then I think I'm gonna
Yeah.
host Peeve because he hosted me. So
That's good.
It's only-
Nice of him.
it's only good to pay back.
Mark's gonna host Peeve, and blah blah blah. Yeah. Go to my PayPal. Oh, this is it.
Not too loud because you're on